Hello, Judy here from Thistledew Creations with a Dollarama haul for you. I went to town yesterday and picked up a few things that I hadn't seen before. A couple things I just hadn't noticed before. I'll start with this paper pad. It's new to me. Looks like more of a fall color scheme than the stuff that I've been seeing earlier this summer. It's 12 by 12, 24 sheets, and it was $3.50 for 24 sheets. I took it out of the paper so I could flip through it, or took it out of the plastic, sorry. You can tell what's inside by these front cover pages, and I actually use these front cover pages. I have a video, don't think it's online yet, but I did a video where I used these to make some journaling cards. I like this one because it's a little bit of a chevron pattern, not quite a herringbone, which is my favorite, but the chevron is nice. So I can use that to make some journaling cards with. And then the papers themselves, oh, I didn't realize, it's better when you can see the whole paper. I like the way that it's beige, but it has like a gold look to it. Is around the outside, and then these dots on the inside. So it looks like there are two of each page. So I'm gonna take the time to flip through them because I don't have a lot of items. This won't be a terribly long video. This one I really like, the brick with, again, this accent that's supposed to be gold. I may go over that with a metallic marker to give it an actual gold shimmer, but I love the teal and purple. Those are my two favorite colors, so I'll definitely use that. And then we have a bit of a flower quilt pattern, snowflake looking design, top and bottom. Again, I think it's supposed to look like gold, but it's really just beige printed. It's dull paper. They're not a bad weight. They're not super thin. They're not quite cardstock. They're that nice in-between weight of paper. So that's a good background. And then we've got this really nice burgundy with a bit of crackle. And again, a greenish teal. Interesting. It's got a bit of a border around that almost looks like there's other colors over top of it. And that's interesting. And oh, this is pretty. Teal with the gold. And another purplish burgundy with some gold text and so on. Really like these. The pink splatter, sort of a watercolor look background with a gold splatter, which is something I've been intending to do some of, is some gold splatter. This is really neat. It looks like the brick pattern was like done with a stamp and just sort of hit and miss on it's actually more of an orange, which that might be good for some Halloween cards, and so might this one. I want to do some Halloween artist trading cards and just some Halloween themed projects. So this might be a good background for that as well. And then this beautiful blue, the navy blue, and then another navy blue. This one's more navy, this one's more purpley blue. And then this one has this grid pattern. So I'm really happy with that. I may just have to grab another package of that next time I'm in. I always like to get one to see if I can't really flip through it. And this was in a package with a sealed up bottom that was openable. So I did open it up just to feel the quality of the paper before I decided whether I was going to bother to buy it. But I didn't take it right out of the package to see the pages. So next time, I'm in town again tomorrow, so I may grab some more, at least one more package of that. And then I got 4 more of my glue sticks. I use these ones for all of my glue stick work, all-purpose, Elmer's, washable. I don't feel that it's acid-free. I don't feel that it is super strong hold, so if I'm worried about anything coming up, I will put tacky glue just around the outside. But it's a good way to cover larger pieces that you're going to put down quickly and evenly without having to put on the white glue and then spread it around. It gives you a good overall gluing, and then you can just, like I said, glue around the edges with some tacky glue if you're concerned about it popping up. This is unrelated to crafting, but really it isn't. These are the little sweet lavender air fresheners, and I saw these, I think it was in the aisle with all the kind of guy stuff and tools and air fresheners. And I have been doing a lot of artist trading cards lately, and so I was actually thinking of these. I did open it in the store just to take a sniff, because I was going to buy them regardless. I wouldn't do that in the store if I wasn't going to buy it anyway. But I just wanted to make sure that it did smell good. But I was actually wondering if I could use these on an artist trading card. They're just a tiny bit taller, but they're okay width-wise. I could trim it top and bottom a little bit to make it fit on there. So I thought I would put one in my car, and when it's kind of almost used up, then I could use it on an artist trading card. And I might even be able to split it in half and get 2 images out of it once it's done. I imagine this is like glued on. Yeah, it's glued on to like a foamy cellulose kind of interior, which I'm sure is what holds onto the scent. But I can do this and put a sticker over this thing that says it's an air freshener. And it just looks like a mason jar or a candle. So I thought that would be cute to do some artist trading cards in the future, and my car could use a little freshening up. So it was $1.50 for 3 of them, and potentially I could get 6 images out of that. So it would be a whole set of artist trading cards when I get around to it. And then, which might not be till this time next year or even longer than that. But I'll also save the flap from the packaging, and maybe even this back part of the packaging for clusters and toppers for swatches is what I was trying to say. So that I think will work. I'm glad I picked those up. And then I picked up some stickers in the craft aisle as well. So these were a 24 sticker pack. And they are Express Yourself by Zach. And it's saying to personalize your water bottle, laptop, cell phone, or tablet. And these are the different stickers that you get. So they have a Facebook, my Zach, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Made in China, but most of them are. But distributed out of Spokane, Washington. So I'll just flip through these. These are a nice size. They'll be good for artist trading cards too. I'll just stick one there so you can see sort of the size of it. That one I might have to just trim, but it'll work. And I wanted to see how I liked them before I bought a bunch. I don't usually buy these kind of cartoony ones, but I think some of them are going to be good, and then I can include them in swaps and stuff with people who might appreciate them more. Like the camera is okay. It's kind of cute. The turtle I definitely wanted. It's a little big for an artist trading card unless I have it like off the page. Like that, which is fine. Little sort of backpack. Gem. I think that's Hang 10. Not sure. Or Love You. This looks like it's supposed to be like a friendship bracelet bundle. Kind of cute. Peace sign with a friendship bracelet. And I Oop. Not sure what that is supposed to be. If anyone knows, let me know. And I don't know what that one's supposed to mean either. So if you know, let me know. Some cosmetics, it looks like. I love the VW bus with the surfboards on top. I don't surf. I hardly even swim, but I just like that vibe, that beachy vibe. Birkenstocks. Sunglasses. Hope you can kind of see these amongst all that bright background. That's why I'm putting them against the white. And then a coffee cup or a milkshake. The sun. So lots of summer and adventure ones. Just a little squiggle. Good vibes. Yeah, I might have to go back and get more of these. There's enough of these that I would use. These are like a scrunchie for your hair. They'd be good in clusters. A little daisy. And then a Jeep with the mountains in the background. So that's really cute. A little big for an ATC, but I know some people that have Jeeps and love Jeep stuff. If you're watching, you know who you are. And so that might be worth another package being bought. Now these, I got some of these in a recent swap, the bees, and I hadn't seen them in the store myself. So I checked the craft aisle yesterday and found these. I think there was one more that I didn't pick up. It doesn't show on the back or anything, all the different ones that you can collect. But this is a Dollarama product. Sticky Lab. So the four bees, and these are like a hard acrylic sticker, basically. And I picked up these soaring birds. I thought they were really nice, and these little birds on a twig. And I think probably I'll use them on artist trading cards or just in my journals in general. And then a little bit of Halloween stuff, not a lot. These were, I was looking for Halloween stickers and I really didn't like the ones that they had too much. So I picked up these picks. There was 12 picks per package for $1.50. These are meant to go like as a cupcake topper or something like that. And I thought, excuse me, I thought I could use them for my artist trading cards and Halloween projects. So I think I can get the two that are glued back to back apart, maybe with some steam. If not, at least I'll be able to use one side, but I'd like to be able to use both sides. So I get 24 pieces for $1.50. It's just going to take a little extra work if I want to get that extra bit of value out of them. But they had some cute kind of foiled jack-o'-lantern with a witch's hat, a jack-o'-lantern regular, a black cat with a silver outline, and then a orange outline after that, and then a ghost with a green outline wearing a little bow tie, and then the witch in her cauldron. I thought those were cute. So I got 2 packages of those, and I'll be working on some Halloween videos and Halloween ATCs coming up soon. So I'm going to post this video in the next few days so that you guys will see that those are out there if you want to grab them. And then I kind of went crazy on these. I love skulls with flowers on them. And this one has a little spider too. And the colors, like the purple and the blues. These are napkins, obviously. So there's 18 for $1.50, which is really good. And they're 2-ply, which means you only have to do that peeling thing once. And overall, they're 13 by 13. So I'm just curious to see if you get 4 images per napkin or not. I didn't check that in the store. I just knew I wanted them. I bought 4 packages of them because I think they would be popular in trades and also for napkin swaps. But these are from the Halloween line. And they were with the Halloween stuff, not with the napkins over in the other end of the store. So let's just see how many skulls you get. Oh yeah, you do get 4 skulls. And each one has the blue accent and the pinky accent. And then there's lots of purple and pink in the design. So those are a great value. I don't intend to use them. We don't have Halloween parties or anything. Like, I don't intend to use them as napkins. I intend to use them for crafting. But this kind of thing, once Halloween's over, they'll be gone. And so I wanted to get lots. So I got 4 packages of 18 of them. So if you're wanting to do a trade, send me a message. And then I also got the matching plates. And again, thinking that I could fussy cut out the skull and use it on the front of a Halloween journal or something. Just going to take this out of the package. in case there's a glare. And then I would like to try to figure out, so there's 8 in a package for $1.50. So not as good a value as the napkins, because you're getting a lot more of the skull images with the napkins. But I just wanted the cardstock alternative. And they're 8 3/4 or 22.2 centimeters. So that would be the diameter of the plate. The actual skull, this was a little bigger than the napkin. Right into the tip of those the leaves, is 12 centimeters, or about 4 3/4 of an inch. And top to bottom, it's about 6 inches, 15 centimeters, roughly. So yeah, I'm trying to think what I can do with the edge, but I can always cut it into sections and flatten it and do like a ruffle down the page edge. That would be cool. I haven't done that yet, but I'm trying to think of ways to use the paper plate edges. And I think that might be one way to do it. So that's what I got. I hope you've enjoyed seeing my quick little haul, and I'm glad I took the time to show you everything. If you want to do a napkin swap, please reach out. I do have lots of these, and if you can't find them in your area, just show me what napkins you have. Or if you don't have napkins, but you have an abundance of something else, especially something else Halloween related right now, because I don't have much in my Halloween box. My Christmas box is overflowing, but I don't have a lot in my Halloween box. So if you have cute Halloween stuff, this sort of vibe or very vintage looking Halloween stuff would interest me too. So we could do a swap for a few things. I would be happy to do that. So thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But most of all, have a great day.